Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Come on, Alex. Our plane leaves soon.
I'm coming, Dad. Dad, did you lose your passport again?
Only for a few minutes.
Dad, maybe dinosaurs still live in the Amazon.
You never know.
Mom, we're really going to the Amazon!
Our adventure has begun.
Wow, it is really hot. The rainforest is warm and wet. Mom, everything is so green.
That means there is life everywhere.
Dad, is that really a river?
That is the Amazon.
It looks like the sea.
And tomorrow, we travel on it.
I think this explorer needs a rest.
We just arrived, Jack.
You already look like a sloth.
A very brave sloth.
Dad, the jungle is waiting.
Give me 5 minutes. I am saving energy for dinosaurs.
I knew it.
Drink water and always stay close.
Yes, Captain Mom.
Ready, buddy?
Ready for everything. Mom, are there crocodiles here? There are caimans. That is a real caiman.
Wild animals need space.
I like him from here. Whoa! A pink dolphin! Hello, Pinky! Are you following us? That dolphin was beautiful.
The Amazon is full of surprises.
Look at those beautiful colors! You look like a flying rainbow! Hello? What are you eating? That little monkey looks like me. That big one looks like you.
Is he handsome? Hello, sleepy friend.
You move exactly like him.
This is jungle speed.
You are tiny, but very loud.
Listen, the forest is always talking.
I hear everything. Dad?
Oh, what was that?
Something small.
Maybe something medium.
You do not sound sure. It is a giant hamster. The baby is adorable.
We watch. We do not chase.
This is their home. Wow, Lily, look at that. It's enormous. 3 toes. Based on the depth, it must be a theropod.
That is absolutely massive.
Wow! This is amazing!
There are no clouds.
Very strange thunder.
I have never seen this before.
Maybe it is a dinosaur feather.
They keep going!
We stay together.
The tracks go deeper, so do we. Do you hear that?
Oh!
A waterfall! This place is beautiful!
Perfect for a family picture.
Dad!
I had it under control.
Stay close. The ground is slippery. Right beside you.
This cave is a little scary. You wanted dinosaurs. I only want friendly dinosaurs.
Good idea.
These pictures look very old.
Do not touch them.
That is a dinosaur. And there are more.
There is another way out.
What?
Let's see where it goes.
Dad, what is this place?
I have no idea.
I knew it.
I officially owe you an apology.
I accept. I cannot draw fast enough.
First, enjoy it.
You are still very big.
Whoa!
You were scared.
I was checking the ground.
Hello? Are you friendly? Rah! 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 What did he say? He said, I am handsome. It only eats plants.
Every animal needs water. Just like us.
Han! You are really fast! That is not thunder.
No!
Stay close. Something big is coming.
That is the dinosaur I did not want.
Nobody runs.
My legs want to run.
Tell them to stay.
Mom, something is crying.
I hear it.
The baby cannot get out.
She is trying to reach her baby.
We have to help. Then we do it carefully.
This is heavy.
Together.
Together.
One more push.
Now.
Do not be afraid. We are helping.
Slowly. Watch your fingers. I've got it.
Yes! Keep trying! Go! Your mom is waiting! She said thank you.
I hope so.
The sky is getting dark.
We leave now.
It is raining so fast.
Stay beside me. We cannot cross.
We need another way.
I drew another trail.
Show me.
The path goes around the lake.
Then that is our way.
They are all going that way! Maybe they know where it is safe.
Animals often do.
I got you, Dad!
Great save. Thanks, buddy.
Teamwork! Dad, backpack!
My backpack.
Where is it? I left it near the baby. We cannot go back. My favorite dinosaur book is inside. I know. A book can be replaced. You cannot. Okay.
I see a cave.
Go!
I am tired.
So am I.
Human sloth?
Only for 1 minute.
They are leaving the valley.
Yes.
The other exit is gone.
This place likes secrets.
What does this mean?
Maybe. Protomika. Protect nature.
They knew about Dinosaur Valley.
I think they did.
They kept it secret to protect the animals.
Exactly.
Then we should protect it too.
We will.
I see daylight. Let's go.
We are back!
Where is the valley?
I took lots of dinosaur pictures. Then we have proof. I still have this. It looks bigger now. Dad, did you hear that? No. It was a frog.
A very big frog.
You are afraid of dinosaurs.
I respect them from far away.
What was your favorite part?
At first, I thought it was the dinosaurs. And now, helping the baby together. That was my favorite part too. We were a good team.
Every animal needs a safe home.
And we should protect it. think Dinosaur Valley is still there? Is it still there? I know it is.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.